how to reverse the playback of a clip inside Davinci Resolve version 17. So as you can see, this clip is zooming out and everything is getting smaller. If I reverse it, then it will zoom in. So right click on the clip itself and we have these two options: change clip speed and retime controls. You can use both of them. So click on the first one, change clip speed, and here we have reverse speed. Check that one. It's not related to speed, but it's reversing it. So click on the change button, and as you can see, now it's not zooming out, but it's zooming in. It's getting closer, so it's the opposite. It was reversed. Okay, and it also appeared here a clock sign, and that's showing it that it has an effect. So let's just undo it, Ctrl Z. Okay, we can use the next one, which is retime controls. That has a hotkey also, Ctrl R. So retime controls. Now these arrow appeared here and we have this down pointing arrow. So click on that one and we have reverse. Now it's called segment, it's not speed, but it's also reversing. So now these arrows are pointing to the left and it is also not zooming out, but it's zooming in. It's getting closer, so the video was also reversed. You can either close it from there or Ctrl R again. Ctrl R again. Okay, and put it back with the reverse again. Now it's pointing to the right once again. Now let's close it, and the third method is to come here to the inspector, video, and we have this speed change. It's also called speed, and here's the direction, forward and backward. So simply hit that one and the clock sign also appears. If I click on the forward, that is to the right, and the clock sign disappears. So that is reversing it, and it is not zooming out, but it's zooming in. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.